Our non-standard automated production workshop covers an area of nearly 800 square meters. Over 60 mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, and skilled assembly staff operate in this workshop and provide customers with high-quality automated equipment and production lines for use in the automotive parts industry, industrial electrical industry, electronics industry, etc. This is the EMM, cold riveting and hot riveting machine. The motor and splitter coordinate to drive the aluminum plate for high precision positioning. Supporting cold riveting, hot riveting, workpiece turnover, automatic washer feeding, washer pressing, manual reclamation. Our spark plug riveting machine assembles 25 spark plugs per minute, thus greatly improving production efficiency. Our pendulum ball head locking device is suitable for processing of auto parts. It locks 3 screws simultaneously and collects the relevant data and angle to meet the technical requirements of the product. Please observe the device in operation, showing that it provides proper torque and angle to meet the product's requirements. EMM's joint hose assembly equipment is used for automatic assembly of automotive water pipe joints. The machine carries out simultaneous multiple sets of assembly and provides an improvement of 15 times in production efficiency. The CCD visual inspection system of the machine ensures that the joint gap is less than 1 millimeter. It completes assembly of 8 hoses at one time.